tur dal dosa from Sujan Fun Kitchen. Who can resist a sizzling hot dosa, especially if it is loaded with proteins? No fermentation required. Wow! It's a scrumptious bite of tur dal dosa. Dunk it in butter and roll it in jaggery, and you have an absolutely tasty treat. So you have to do it to believe me. Wash the dal and rice thoroughly well and soak it for at least 3 hours along with the red chilies. And then let's first grind the coconut with some chopped gingers and some cumin seeds. Grind this to a paste. Keep it aside. Yes, this is the small mixer jar. Take a bigger mixer jar and add the tur dal, red chilies and rice, and add the coconut paste along with the rice and dal and grind to a smooth batter. See, it should be like this. Yes, and then now add asafoetida. That adds to the flavor, immense flavor. And then for more aroma, add curry leaves and then add salt to taste and then give it a good mix and then adjust with water. Add some water. It should resemble a dosa batter, but not as thin maybe. You adjust the consistency according to your needs. Yes, and then now heat a tawa and add oil, only till oil please. It tastes best, preferably. And then pour some batter onto the tawa and then spread it evenly. Yes. And then add more oil, drizzle oil all over the tur dal dosa and adjust the flame to a medium high. Yes, and then spread the dosa batter on the surface with your spatula and then make a dent at the center and drizzle more oil. Yes. And please adjust the flame maybe to a lower or a medium flame. Always be careful with the adjustment of flame. And then it's time to flip it over. Oh my God, it looks great. And then now it's time to add some ghee onto it. Please don't worry, this ghee is absolutely optional. So yeah, our tur dal dosa is ready. It looks amazing. This is a healthy platter, tur dal dosa. Serve it for breakfast or for an early dinner. It can be served with South Indian avial or vegetable korma. But as I keep saying, it tastes best dunked in butter and rolled in jaggery. I'm kidding. So please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and do share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel please and hit the bell icon for early notifications of my videos and stay home, stay safe and stay strong. Thank you.